Welcome back to my tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can claim free coins. And what is the coins we are here to claim? We are here to claim SWLL coins that is rightly on launch pool on Bybit. Alright, so before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos. We are here actually to claim some few SWLL coins. How do you claim it? You cannot claim it unless you make a little investment. Let's look at the procedure that you need to take to claim those coins, and also what you need, like how much USDT or how much SWLL or how much MNT you need to claim this coin, and what exactly do you need to do. A volume of SWLL coin that worth over 18 million is right available on launch pool. What is this pool? This pool is all about SWLL. And SWLL is all about a new coin that is about to be listed on Bybit. So, how can you get this free coin? Before you can get this free coin, is simply register. You register now and perform the simple activities that is shown to you. When is this activity ending up? This activities is ending up in 1 day, 14 hours, 50 minutes, and some couple of seconds. So how do we go about it? Before you try to sign now, look at it carefully. What do you need to be qualified for these activities? What do you need to claim this free coin? You can claim this free coin using itself coin, which is SWLL. Using its coins, which is SWLL. And again, you can claim this coin using MNT pool. And also you can do that using USDT pool. So I always advise my viewers and my subscribers to always use USDT. Why? Because USDT is a constant coin. Because if you stake with MNT or the SWLL itself, on the listing date, the value might be dropped. But if you stake with USDT, the value will not drop because USDT is a constant coin. Okay, and you will be given a lot of volume of SWLL coin. So I advise use this third one, which says USDT pool. Stake USDT to earn SWLL. How do we do that? You're going to click on here, which is called the register. Click on the register and follow the directives. All right. So if you click on the register, it will be shown to you that you have successfully registered for the event. Get ready to stake SWLL, MNT, USDT to grab a piece of the prize pool when the staking begins. All right. So what do you just need to do? All you just need to do now is to start staking now. When is the staking period? The staking period is from 7, which is here. It's from 7 to 11. Sorry, to 14. This is when the staking period begins. And the staking period will start in 1 day. 48 minutes, 48 minutes, sorry, and some few seconds, which is going to start on the 7th, 07 November. So mark this date and stake in immediately when it begins. It will be open soon. You can start it now, but it's advisable you wait. So if you come to this place, since you are staking USDT, and say it will be open soon for staking. Look at here carefully. So all you just need to do is to always come to this place to check. But you are only coming to check for this on the 7th. Because by on the 7th, the staking will begin. Okay? So that is it. And if you do not know, if you want to stake like MNT or USDT, in my previous staking videos, I drop videos on how you can stake, right? How you can get those coin. You can either get those coin by converting your USDT to MNT, or by converting your USDT to SWLL. But like right now, you cannot convert to SWLL or purchase SWLL. You can only purchase SWLL in the pre-market sales. So if you need SWLL, you go to pre-market sale. If you need MNT, you can either convert or you buy. But if you need USDT, then it's a constant coin. You already have that. Okay. So thank you so much. If you do have any question, drop it at the comment sections, and I'll attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.